Hey, what's up, weirdos? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fabulous. And wait until you see this color. Y'all just wait. So, funny story for you. One of my followers on Instagram reached out to me and asked me if I had ever tried products from One Sparkly Mermaid. And I had not. I had not even heard of them. And she showed me a picture of this color called Marbled. And I was like, oh my God. Okay, give me her handle. I have to reach out to this girl. So she gave me her Instagram handle. I shot her a DM, and per my usual, spiel, I'm like, hey, this is Marlakris. I don't know if you know me, but this is what I do, blah, blah, blah. Like I do for everybody that I reach out to. And she DM'd me back, like having a fangirl moment. She's like, I know who you are. It had me dying laughing, and I'm like, oh my God, it's awesome. So anyway, that's the short version of the long story, I suppose. She asked me to pick out some colors, and she sent them over to me, and I cannot even tell you. You guys, if you're in my Facebook group, you probably already saw this Manny. I know a lot of you sprinted over to her Etsy and grabbed up her stuff. Y'all are savage. If you're not in my Facebook group yet and you want spoilers, hop on over, because I usually post Manny's before they upload, and I give the Manny fam a little heads up, I guess. That way they can grab colors before they upload to YouTube and sell out like they usually do, because y'all are savage. So here are the colors that I picked out. I'm going to be using one color today. I'm doing a one color Manny. Marbled is so beautiful. I felt like it needed to be all by itself. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to do a one color Manny. And this, as you're going to see when I open up the jar for you, it is a super duper intimidating looking foil. Real quick, these blues look super similar, but one of them, this one right here, is very, very fine glitter. And this one over here has a little bit of flaky flecks in it. So they're very, very slightly different. Super slight difference, but they are different. Anyway, back to Marbled. It looks super intimidating, but it was actually one of the easier flaky dips I used. You're going to see. I am busting out my Virgo and Gem dip liquids for this. You're going to see me bounce all over the place going forward with dip liquids. I feel like I've been super neglectful. I got into a routine with like the glitzy liquids, but they're not available yet. I'm so sad about it. So once they become available, I might bring them back so you guys know they're available. But in the meantime, I'm going to rotate my dip liquids. I've got some Virgo and Gem coming. I'll be playing around with my Dipalicious. I do get into... Oh, have you guys heard of Fairy Glam? You're going to see that coming up sometime in the near future. But I recently got involved with them, and wait till you see. Anyway, moving along, One Sparkly Mermaid. I am starting off with my peel-off base coat. I am using UNT peel-off base coat. What? I said that right. Y'all, I've been doing voiceovers. It's like my third one today. Anyway, UNT peel-off base coat. I have builder gel on my nails right now. I'll leave the video I just did. It was iGel Beauty's builder gel. I'll leave that in the cards for you guys. So that's what's on my nail right now. Just doing my peel base right on top of it, one coat. And we're going to get right into this absolutely amazing foil dip. I can't wait for you guys to see the finished Manny. Probably, I'm going to say it. Hold on to your butts. This is my favorite Manny that I've ever done. If I could wear one Manny for the rest of my life, this would be it. I'm saying it. Put it down on paper. Anyways, while I'm getting this on, while I'm getting this to dry, I wanted to chat. And what I wanted to chat about was Netflix. I wanted to talk about Firefly Lane. Have you guys seen that show? I've recently finished that show. Me and my girl Chelsea from Sip and Dip, we both watched it together, and it was crazy. But I'm so sad because there was only one season, and so far, as I'm doing this voiceover at least, It is unclear if there's going to be a second season, and I'm so scared. I will tell you though, this is how bad I am. I'm the worst. I hate secrets. I hate surprises. I need to know everything. I'm that person. So of course I had to Google stuff, and Firefly Lane is based on 2 books from what I know. So if you need the spoilers, you can Google this and it will tell you everything. And from what I know, I need a second season. If you have watched this show, please comment down below and tell me. If you have any other good recommendations, let me know, because spring break is approaching quickly for me, as is summertime. So I'm going to need some new binge-worthy shows. I do have Clarice on my DVR right now. Haven't started watching it yet. I'm letting it all build up so I can binge, but I heard it was amazing. If you watch that, let me know. Don't spoil anything. I mean, I don't mind the spoilers, but the rest of the Manny fam may not be too happy about it. Anyway, comment down below. Let me know what you're watching right now, what you have on your list to binge. I need some good shows, y'all. Need them. Okay. Did you see how easy this is to clean up? These foils. I don't know what magic sorcery one sparkly mermaid is using over there, but the foils, they break apart so easily that you don't have to worry about them being all over the place. I'm just cleaning them up with my little water marble tool. That is in my description box, by the way, if you want a link to the water marble tool, the little thing I'm using to clean out my cuticles and sidewalls and stuff. Check it out. Highly recommend. I love this thing. But yeah, the foils were so incredibly easy to clean up. I was shocked. Utterly shocked. Did not think it was going to go down like that. I was scared. I really wanted it to be good, but I was honestly so scared. You ever have one of those colors where you see the swatches, you see the photos on the website, you get it home, you open the jar and you're like, I'm scared. That was this for me. I was literally petrified. But I'm so glad I took a deep breath and just dove in, because so incredibly, I told you, my favorite Manny ever. I would want to wear this forever. Let me die in this Manny. I'm taking this one to the grave. One sparkly mermaid, if you can hear me, I need a vat. Give me a whole vat. I want to swim in it. Thank you very much. Send it to my P.O. box. Y'all, I'm a brat. Okay, so I'm only doing 2 coats of this. I'm going to do my clear encapsulation. I'm going to do the rest of my hand off camera. Then we're going to get into how I filed and buffed this Manny. And when I tell you easy, there are dips that I have used where I literally wanted to throw it out the window. It was so frustrating. You know how I feel about chunky glitter, and I'm getting more used to it, but it's still like a headache for me. This was not that at all. So easy to use. I know I sound like a broken record right now, but I feel like it's important. It's important because of the way it looks. It just looks intimidating. And I know that none of us should ever judge a book by its cover. It's not like that. But it was a little scary. Don't worry, it's good. And wait till you see it all done and top coated. I debated actually on whether or not to leave this matte because it looked so good matte, but I went glossy in the end. I'm kind of glad I did. I think I like it glossy. You guys have to tell me. I know that some of you are like die-hard glossy girls and some of you are like emphatically matte girls. It's honestly entertaining for me. I don't want like a war in the comments. Not like my Manny fan would ever start fights, but you know, you guys are very passionate about the finish of your Manny and it just makes me laugh. Just one of the reasons why I love my Manny fam so much with my whole damn heart. Oh my goodness, speaking of which, did you guys get the collection from Shimmer and Shine? I've not talked about it really in videos since the release. Did you get it? If you got it, you'll have to let me know. And if it's arrived to you, you'll have to tell me what you think about it, because I cannot. Angela from Shimmer and Shine outdid herself with this collection. You guys know, I'll leave the video up in the cards for you guys in case you didn't see it. I wanted to give you an update on the collection because it did sell out. I can't even believe it. We will be restocking, I think, the first week of April, but I will keep you guys posted. If you're not in the Manny fam, I did give first dibs to them, so join. Okay, back to one sparkly. Man, my ADHD is in like full effect right now. So I went ahead, did my clear cap, did my activation. Now look at the whole mani. Look at it. Tell me this is not amazing. I am literally obsessed. Literally obsessed. So I'm going to go ahead and start filing and buffing. I'm only going to show you one nail, I think. My next video actually on Thursday will be my whole filing and shaping and buffing. It's just that, a video on how I shape and file and buff. So don't worry, I have very detailed explanation about how I do everything, why I do everything, and hopefully it'll help somebody. But I'm going to do one nail just to show you how I cleaned it up. We're going to get back in with top coat, and I'll be back with you guys for final thoughts. All right, y'all, you ready? Are you ready for the finished mani? Here's the finished mani. I can't. I'm in love. I am now officially in love, in a relationship with these nails, with this color. It literally has my whole entire heart. I cannot say enough how much I am obsessed with this color. You know, the next time I take a break from filming, which may be soon actually, I'm going to wear this. I'm going to wear this for at least 2 weeks. Do we want to take bets on if that will actually happen? Do we think Marla Chris can wear a mani for 2 weeks and not touch it? Who out of all of you think that I can actually accomplish that? I'd be curious to see how much faith you guys have in me. I'm almost hoping you guys say I can't do it. That way I can prove y'all wrong. Told you I'm a brat. So I went in with my cuticle oil by Candi Skin Care, True to Form. I'm just going to take the excess off with a little more of that Swipe solution by Young Nails. That's just a dehydrator, so you guys know. Combo of alcohol and acetone, nothing crazy. So I can't wait to hear what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.